Are you making the most of LinkedIn to showcase your business? If you have multiple products, services, business units, or market segments, a LinkedIn showcase page is a great way to segment your messaging and brand strategy, all without diluting your core brand message. A showcase page is essentially an extension of your LinkedIn company page, designed to highlight different aspects of your business. It's a powerful way to engage with a specific target audience in the middle of your funnel. For example, let's say your business provides both solutions to the education and enterprise sector. While both services do fall underneath the same brand, the target market and messaging for each will be completely different. A showcase page allows you to maintain that distinction, speaking directly to each audience without confusing your followers. So let's have a look at how you create a showcase page on LinkedIn. First of all, you want to be on the home page. From the home page, navigate up to the top bar and on the right, click For Business. Scroll down this tab until you find at the very bottom, Create a Company Page. Alternatively, you can use this URL to get to this page. Next, what you want to do is create a showcase page. You'll see three options here. Create a company page, a showcase page, or an educational institute. In this case, let's create a showcase page. Now within this showcase page, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you get the company that you want to associate it with right. So in my case, let's have a look and associate it with Tomorrow. Add an organization name. So in this case, I'm going to create a podcast page. My podcast is called Ceilings Creative. Add the website that you want associated with it, the industry, let's say business, choose your logo, add a tagline, and then verify that you are authorized to represent the organization on behalf. From there, click Create Page, your company will be notified, and once accepted, your showcase page will be live. So if you want to create a more focused and versatile LinkedIn presence, create a showcase page and start using them to create content and engage with your different audiences in the right context. If you like this content, remember to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn growth tips. Thanks guys, bye.